Hi there, welcome back to another video. It's a seated yoga flow. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, probably a wall to start with. You can use any chair, sofa, or bed for your choice. Here, I'll be sitting right over my yoga mat next to the wall. And then try to center yourself with your breath. Close your eyes if you haven't already, and then try to breathe in and out with all the awareness. As you breathe in, you feel your belly going up, and as you breathe out, you see your belly is going down. Just follow the rhythm and breathe in and out with all the presence and see how air is flowing. After 3 to 5 rounds of breath, gently open your eyes and extend both the legs right in front of your body. And then eventually try to stretch them. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and try swapping your feet forward and towards you one at a time. If possible, rotate the feet clockwise, outways, and anti clockwise, sideways, and then eventually bring both the legs together and try to bring the heel over the tip of the other feet and then change side and feel the gravity of your feet. Now, at this moment, fold the right knee and bring the feet next to the left thigh and see how your sit bones, your hamstrings, and hips are feeling. Do the same from the other side and continue to breathe. And then eventually fold the left leg, bring the right foot over the left knee. Use your hand to swap down the knee to practice the hip opening from the right side of the hip. 3 to 5 rounds should be good enough. And then cradle the baby by holding the leg using your all the arm strength and interlocking the fingers of your hands. Keep rocking from side to side and then release. Now change your side to the left side and similarly practice the hip opening to the left side of the hip. Keep pushing the knee down and keeping the right leg active. Again 3 to 5 rounds. And then cradle the baby from the left side of the hip by holding it upright, keeping the spine straight. And then release. Now take your both the palms together and interlock it, and then inhale, stretch your arms, exhale, fold forward, and then again inhale, back to center position, and drop your slightly head back to have a good arch over your spine. Exhale, release the arms, bring the left hand down, inhale here, and with the exhale, give a side stretch. Again, inhale here, exhale to the left side stretch, and then release. Now this time bring the left elbow and palm down and go all the way down and extend and feel the nice side stretch on the right side of the body and continue breathing. Inhale, change your side and exhale to the left side. Breathe. And then with exhale, come back to the center. As you inhale, take your both the hands together right up over your head. Exhale, bring it to the heart center. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to center. Again, inhale up. Exhale to center. Now, after 3 rounds, extend your legs in front of the body, sit upright, keep your spine straight, sit bones grounded, legs extended, and stay there in the Dandasana. seated pose, and continue breathing. With every exhalation, try to extend the hamstring a little further, and then with inhale, fold the right leg. Inhale here, extend the arms, exhale into forward fold. Janushirshasana. Breathe here, and then exhale and release. Now extend the right leg, fold the left one, inhale all the way up, exhale into forward fold. Continue breathing, and then with inhale, come up, and exhale, release. Extend both the legs, and now get into Paschimottanasana. Inhale, hands goes up, exhale, fold forward. Reach your hands wherever you are most comfortable. You can grab the big toes, have the hands over the shin bone or over the knees, or wherever you are most reachable. Continue breathing. Keep the spine straight. Breathe. Inhale and then release. Now from here again fold the right leg. Keep it next to the left thigh. Take your left hand support to grab the knee and extend the right hand, or you can place on the yoga mat and give a good nice twist to your body. Breathe. Exhale, look forward and change your side. This time fold the left leg. Take the left hand back. Use right hand to support the left knee. And then with inhale, look back and give a good spinal twist on the left side. Continue breathing. Breathe, and then with a bigger exhale, look forward and release the pose. Now from here, sit over your knees comfortably, preferably knees together. Now gently stand on your knees. You can separate them a bit. Toes pointed at the back. Inhale, support your lower back and get into a back bend. Feel the really deep stretch, and if possible, try to reach to the heel using the respective hand, like right hand to the right heel and left hand to the left heel. Keep your chest open, hips aligned, and breathe. And you can also get into a complete camel pose by holding both the heels together, and with exhale then you release and relax a bit. And again inhale, extend your arms. And if spreading the knees wider makes you more aligned, feel free to do that. And inhale and get into a child's pose. Breathe here. Breathe really well and feel all the relaxation. And then with inhale, sit upright, and this time use the wall to sit next to it. Bring both the feet together, close to the groin. Knees are pointed outward to the sides. If this is not accessible, you can have knees lifted up and have hands to support your thighs. And hold the Baddha Konasana and breathe. Breathe nicely and letting your body relax, unwind, calm down, and feel your breath going in and out. Choose to focus on your exhalations, slower exhalations. Breathe. Try not to move your body. You can also keep your hands over the knees or at the heart center or over the belly. Feel the breath and take few rounds of breath before you finish your practice. And whenever you feel ready, move your legs and rub your palms. Gather the energy over your face. And I hope you had a good practice with me. If you have liked this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and keep practicing along with me to see more results. Like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.